Hello, today we're going to do a service reset on a Range Rover Evoque. It's a 2014 model. It's coming up. It's a bit of a delayed reaction on these to tell you on the service. Most cars will flash straight up when you put the ignition on. These seem to take ages. I'll quickly show you. It's telling us, as you can see, we wait a long time. And eventually, service required. So I've just done the service on this, so I'll walk you through what you've got to do to reset it. Okay, so we need to, first of all, pull the bonnet catch, open the driver's door, like so. And then we need to do ignition on, throttle and brake together. We need to hold for 60 seconds. Which does seem to always take some time. And we hold, and we hold. That's 30 seconds. Who knew it could be this painful, eh? And we're nearly there. If I was good, I'd edit this out, but sadly I'm not so good at the editing just yet. Right, okay, and we're nearly there. Okay, so then ignition off. And ignition back on. Shut the bonnet quickly. Shut the door. I'll quickly turn it off again so I can just show you. Let's press OK. And as you can see, that has cleared the service required. So it takes a little time, admittedly, but just throttle, brake, open the door, open the bonnet with the ignition, turn ignition on, leave it for 60 seconds with the throttle and brake depressed, ignition on, and then after 60 seconds, turn the ignition off, quickly get out, shut the bonnet, shut the door, turn the car off, start it again, and you should see that the service message has disappeared. Okay, thank you for watching, like and subscribe my videos. Thank you very much.